Hello again. Today we are going to work on Unit 2 of New Headway. Okay, so this unit talks about your world. We're going to study some countries, personal pronouns, possessive adjectives, and we're going to ask about where are you? Again, we're going to learn some useful adjectives like fantastic, awful, and beautiful, and of course the numbers from 11 to 30. First of all, find your country on the map on page 13. Find these countries on the map. So we're going to listen to some countries. Let's read them first. Australia, Brazil, Egypt, China, England, France, Italy, Hungary, Japan, Russia, Spain, the United States. Let's listen.
Unit 2, Tape Script 2.1. Countries.
Australia, Brazil, Egypt, China, England, France, Italy, Hungary, Japan, Russia, Spain, the United States.
Okay, amazing. Now let's move to exercise 1. Here we can learn how to ask about where are people from. Okay, so we're done with exercise 1. Now let's move to exercise 2. Well, actually this is exercise 1, but 2.2. We're going to listen to how to tell about where you're from. Let's listen to this conversation.
Tape Script 2.2.
Where are you from, Mika?
I'm from Japan. Where are you from?
I'm from Spain, from Barcelona.
Okay, great. So now we're going to make a short conversation between you and me. I am Mika, you are Pablo. So ask me. I'm from Syria. Where are you from? Okay, so if you are from Aleppo, you can say, I'm from Syria, from Aleppo. Amazing. Now let's listen to the conversation.
Tape Script 2.2.
Where are you from, Mika?
I'm from Japan. Where are you from?
I'm from Spain, from Barcelona.
Okay, great. Now let's move to this exercise. It says read, listen, and repeat. اقرأ, اسمع, وكرر. His name's Pablo. He's from Spain. اسمه Pablo, هو من Spain. Her name's Mika. She's from Japan. اسمها ميكا وهي من اليابان. Now let's have some grammar spot. His اختصار ل he is. She's اختصار ل she is. حاولوا نحل التمرين سوا. So her names ولا she names. أكيد her names لأنه اسمها. This is John. She's from the United States ولا he's from the United States باعتبار هو ذكر. He's. His name's Faisal ولا his name's Faisal نفس اللفظ بس هاي اسمه فيصل. This is my teacher. Her name ولا his name. Of course her name because she is a she. This is Elena and she's from Argentina. Yuki is a student and he is from Japan. Amazing. Now let's move to the next page. Now I would like you to bring a notebook, دفتر, and a pen and قلم so that you can fill the information here. Ready? Let's listen.
Tape Script 2.4. Where's he from? 1.
His name's Kevin. He's from the United States.
2.
His name's Laszlo. He's from Hungary.
3,
Her name's Karima. She's from Egypt.
4,
Her name's Tatiana. She's from Russia.
5,
Her name's Rosalie. She's from Brazil.
6,
His name's Simon. He's from England.
7,
His name's Yong. He's from China.
8,
Her name's Hayley. She's from Australia.
Amazing. I hope you did it well. If not, please listen again and do it. Now, Kevin is a man, so his name's Kevin. He is from the United States. Laszlo, his name's Laszlo. He is from Hungary. Her name's Karima. She is from Egypt. Her name's Tatiana. She's from Russia. Her name's Rosalie. She's from Brazil. His name's Simon. He's from England. His name's Yong. He's from China. Her name's Hayley. She's from Australia. Amazing. Now, what's his name? شو اسمه? Where's he from? من وين هو? What's her name? شو اسمها? Where's she from? من وين هي? This is
Tape script 2.5.
What's his name? Where's he from?
What's her name? Where's she from?
amazing. Great. Now let's move to the grammar spot. Where's هي اختصار ل where is. So complete the questions with is or are. Where's, because she. Where is she from? Where's, because he. So where is he from? And where are you from? Let's do a little exercise here. Match the questions and answers. For example, what's your name? My name's Inga. Where are you from? I'm from Germany. What's his name? His name's Yong. Where is he from? He's from Korea. What's her name? Her name's Natalia. Where is she from? She's from Russia. And where's New York? It's in the United States. Great. So we will stop here with this 2 pages. Hopefully I'll see you next video tomorrow or the day after. Stay safe. Ciao.